thought I was gonna be done reacting to Crisis on Infinite Earths trailers and videos, but sneak peek for the upcoming Crisis on Infinite Earths crossover just dropped. It's titled Heroes Unite, so I'm about to react. So let's take a look.
There's a wave of antimatter sweeping across this universe.
Heroes Assemble, my bad.
I've seen the antimatter wave in action. It wiped all of Earth 2 right out of existence.
Cool.
I brought you all to Earth 38 because this is where the Monitor wants you to make your stand. This universe is the tipping point. If we don't stop the antimatter wave here, it will continue to the next universe, and the next, and the next, until it has obliterated not only every Earth, but everything, across all reality.
Right, so we are going to need a bigger team.
Yep.
Where's Barry? Where are the legends?
Doing reconnaissance. I'm headed to check on them now.
She just disappeared.
I still don't like her. Well, Brainy's algorithm will help forecast exactly how much time we have until the antimatter wave hits.
Thank you all for being here. I know we can beat this together.
About Jonathan. We set a course for Earth in his pod, but we don't know where it landed.
Or even if it landed.
Brainy, can you track his trajectory?
Absolutely.
We'll find that bouncing bundle of Kryptonian joy faster than a flying Flakurian.
Ooh. Okay, what's about to happen? Is the antimatter spreading here? Yep. Ooh, this is not good. What the heck is that?
Problem?
I can handle it.
Yes. There it
The
is.
tower isn't a threat. How do you know?
It's a quantum tower, apparently.
And it's the only thing that can save the people of this world.
Huh.
Crisis on Infinite Earths. The CW's crossover event begins Sunday at 8/7 Central.
Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. So yeah, hopefully this will be the last time I react to Crisis on Infinite Earths clips until the actual episode comes. But yes, I'm excited. I cannot wait to see this. Yes, this has been building up since like Flash season 1. We're going to see how it turns out. But anyway, are you guys excited? Leave your comments below, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Sean at Matthew_. Take care.